This is why I think Wooragee should be picked for the space wattle seeds, because we have a very good garden.
I think they need the water seeds to make us brave and to make the space meters get the space water trees to keep us alive and maybe we'll grow differently.
I think we should have the space seeds because they might come back as food.
Because we are good at keeping our crops alive with the help of Owen and Eric.
Who's Owen and Eric?
They are two gentlemen that are very good gardeners. It's just been Owen's 90th birthday. Well, I think we should use I think we should get the space wattle seeds because we're a good school. We've got a Owen and Eric garden program. Plus, we've got an Alexander cooking area, and I'd really like to see what it turns out to be. Bye.
I think that Wooragee should win the space wattle contest or whatever you call it because the space wattle seed might come to life when it grows.
I think we should win the space wattle seeds because we can have more oxygen and survive better.
We need to do this if we want to live in space one day.
I think Wooragee should be a part of it so we are part of history.